Guys, it's Joser, and today we're finally going to be doing an install. So a big issue when it comes to the Nismo bumpers is the Nismo bumpers obviously get a little floppy. Usually they're down in like the bottom portion where they connect to the underskirt. But unfortunately, if you guys saw, we have a little bit of an issue. So to resolve that, we ordered these push button clips, and yeah, they should fix the issue. So I'm only going to be using 2, but I ordered 4 just because, I don't know, I usually mesh up things. Yeah, so that's not really working. Yeah, plan B. I don't know about that one. Screwdriver went through it. Yeah. So as you see, we professionally took this out, and then we're gonna use the heat gun now. We got this shit set at 450. We're just gonna take this. We're just gonna... So basically how this works now is you would just click this, and this is the part that attaches to your bumper. You click that, and this would just be on your bumper. And so, say the whole bumper's on, you just click it on, and bam, just like that. Just like that. So now we have to take this, and we have to drill into the bumper, and then line it up right here. So I think we're gonna take toothpaste or something. I don't know what we're gonna take. We'll figure it out. See here, you know, that's gonna be poking out.
Yeah. This needs to be like flush.
Oh, it's hitting this. It's hitting this. I must have to like shave this down. Give it a Dremel.
Yeah, at your house.
Oh.
I have like a file.
How much does it need? Can you see that?
Decent amount.
For real?
Yeah.
Like this whole thing?
Yeah.
True. Need Dremel, man. Okay, hold on. What do I...
Just chop like
This whole...
this corner off.
Like this?
Like,
Okay.
go from like here to like here. Just like.
Okay. Safety squints. That was enough. So good. So good. This dumbass shit.
What happened, my boy?
Pretty cool, pretty cool. It's hot out, right? So as you see, I went to Menards because I needed some things because things didn't go as planned, obviously. So what I did is I bought these 90-degree brackets, as you saw, and I took them, and as we bent the fender earlier, I bent it back into place how it was. I drilled 2 new holes because these are obviously too small for the what is it called? What is this?
Fender?
No, what is this called?
Oh, I don't know, the quick release mount thing?
Yeah, because obviously the holes are too small for the quick release mount that they gave us. So what I did was I drilled 2 new holes. I cut it, as you see. I cut it so it's not going to be hitting the tire, and my ride height's kind of ass, but it's whatever. It won't be hitting the tire, and as you see now, so now we can easily put that back clip into place. So now we can click these back into place on the bracket, and right here, that'll just click into place like money. For the bolt that I used to get the L bracket on the fender, I used a 10mm bolt that you could just use from any Nissan hardware store. So yeah, cool.